In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manipulate lines in Canva, a crucial skill for enhancing your designs, whether for projects, presentations, or any creative work. Let's dive into the process starting from logging into your account, right up to customizing the line's position and orientation. First things first, head over to the Canva website and log into your account. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll be welcomed by your dashboard, where you can open any canvas that you've been working on, or even start a new design. It's a simple process that ensures you're set and ready to bring your creativity to life right from the get-go. Now, with your canvas open, focus your attention on the left side panel, your toolkit for designing. Hover over it, and you'll notice an option labeled Elements. Clicking it will present you with a plethora of design components. Elements are fundamental in Canva, offering shapes, graphics, and other figures that will add diversity to your design. For our specific task, we're looking to add a line. You could directly search for line in the search bar within Elements, which is going to streamline the process significantly. Pro tip: if you're using the Canva application on your desktop, you can simply press the L key to swiftly insert a line into your design, saving you a bit of time. Once you've found the line element, you can either click on it to place it onto your canvas instantly, or alternatively, drag and drop it to a specific location on your canvas. This gives you control over where it initially lands in your design space. From here, it's all about tailoring this line to fit your needs. Positioning the line correctly is key to ensuring your design looks professional. You can easily move the line around by clicking and dragging it to your desired location. Canva gives you the flexibility to ensure everything is positioned just right. If you need the line to run a specific way, you aren't restricted to its original orientation. Click the line's anchor points to adjust its direction. You have the choice between horizontal, vertical, or even diagonal orientations. Moreover, by holding down the Shift key while you drag one of these anchor points, you can adjust the line's orientation precisely to certain degrees, which adds a level of precision to your design that's particularly useful in maintaining aesthetic harmony. By following these steps, you've learned how to efficiently use lines in your Canva designs. It's a straightforward process, but one that can significantly enhance the structure and aesthetic of your projects. So, next time you're designing, remember these tips and make your visuals stand out with ease and professionalism. Happy designing!